This here was Main River. We're up here by New Bridge, that's what we call it, or Main River Bridge. Little sandbar you can kind of dock to, where we were sitting. Nice little spot. Here would be Molus River. You don't really want to take too big of a boat in here. If you can fit under the bridge, you're okay, but if you can't, I wouldn't come. But it's a nice little spot up in here. It gets shallow in sections, so you got to be careful and it's not marked.
Checking out the sugar cane, rolling down by the creek, switch it off and just listen. Our roads ain't found on your navigation system. Take me home, back to the place where I come from. Night country road, take me home. Place where I was born. Night country road, take me home. Light the pine and take smoke. It's all good. We all make markets for the line. It takes me back to my days of young when my grandma was my sunshine. I love all the things that the country bring. Backwood ride, little country lane on the front porch with my girl and kids. The smell of an evening country rain may not mean that much to some, but to me it's where my heart belongs. I'm calling on them country roads, them the ones that take me home. Take me home, take me home to the backwoods creek. I'll be where I belong.
Not trying to put down no city, but these country roads are so pretty. Time to put some on.
Take me home to the backwoods creek. Down along the road, down that old if it be and no headstone, at least I'll be where I belong. Country road, take me home to a backwoods creek. I'll be where I belong. Cigarette butts and moonshine. Ready to tank of gas in my ride. Yeah. Take a look at what the industry did to me. I was drinking Hennessy and then I had an epiphany. Got me thinking I should kill him, and I'm saying it literally. Middle fingers to my enemies, I'll give him this energy. Got a horse in the back and a goat in the front, and I'm pouring out yak when I'm smoking a blunt. In a trap with a cowboy hat and a pump, cause I ain't going out like a rat or a punk. Don't be silly, man, I really gotta kill him when I'm loading up a semi. Hit him in his cerebellum. I was raised on a farm.
Hey, you don't think this is overkill? Man, you said come prepared. You don't think we're prepared?
in Tennessee, well now you know the deal. It's bonfires, backyard or somewhere in them hills. So turn the music up, loud, fire up the grill, and drop a tailgate, and then sit back and chill. Everybody showing love, it's something you feel, and ain't nobody about to judge, so do what you will. Go ahead and pull your drink up, go on and catch a thrill. Go ahead and roll the dang, bro, let's fire up the kill. We smoking on that pine that grew right here up out the field. We sipping on that shine that's coming out the copper steel. Now let me shout out to my folks, Leanna, Walter Hill, and everybody from Chattanooga to Nashville. We working hard at 9 to 5 just to pay them bills, and then we grinding on the side trying to stack a meal. It's trailer made and damn it boy, there I made it real. Tennessee certified, even stamped with the seal. Ain't never saw us coming out, they gon' see this. We work hard for it, you can't believe it. Yeah, we sip trying to